Why is the kettle down there? That's stupid. Alright, tidy time. What have I got myself? I'll show you. Alright, so my friend Sergey sold me the DJI Spark. He bought it, I don't know, just over half a year ago. He got the whole package: controller, cards, protectors for this and that, extra batteries. And he's gonna upgrade to the Mavic Air or the Mavic Pro, I'm not sure which, but I'm a beginner, so this is fine for me. I flew it, it was lovely. Only one small accident that led to it ending up in a tree, but forget about that. Okay. So in this box, this is the original box. In here, there's just a whole load of stuff. So, like documentation in here, I think. The charging thing, charger, charging panel base, I don't know what you call it. And the really cool thing about this charger is it actually has USB here, so you can charge up your batteries and like a phone or something at the same time, or another battery, I guess, which is great. These are the prop guards. I don't think I'm going to use them because the drone is fairly intuitive, and I used it a few days ago without too many problems. Actually, the tree thing. The tree thing was more because of an automated feature of the drone, not because I was flying it. That's the truth, I promise. So yeah, I'm not going to use the prop guards. And then also this this little battery container is apparently what you need to keep the batteries safe if they explode. Because from what I hear, the LiPo, I don't know how you say that, those batteries can be a little bit volatile. It's because they're packing in so much energy, I think. Alright, this is, I guess this could be useful if I'm checking the drone into my luggage, because it will probably keep it nice and safe inside the suitcase. It's not much bigger than the drone itself, so put the drone in here, maybe take the batteries on the plane with me, and then just put this protected inside the suitcase. I think that could work pretty well. Happy about that. And yeah, and then some more props here as well. The props that are on it right now I think are fine, so I don't need to do anything with those right now. In fact, I can empty that out. Okay, yep, there's that. And then inside here is the main event. I haven't even flown it yet. Well, at least not since it was sold to me. So, not since it's been mine. Here's the remote control. And it's got this thing which obviously stops these from wiggling around and breaking when it's in your bag. Useful. Yeah, I charged that last night, but I'm really impressed about the way that it kind of all packs down. Look at that, it's great. I mean, if you got one of these on as well, it's not going to get broken in your bag, so the size of a big mobile phone, I guess. As I said, there are some spare batteries. So, spare batteries. This, because we're in China, you need to have like a license number, which you sign up for on the net. A bit of a pain if you don't speak Chinese. If you do, then it's kind of okay. But this barcode isn't actually mine, this is still Sergey's, so I need to peel this off, and I forgot to print mine. But I think it'll be okay, nobody really cares. And as Sergey himself was saying, because of the size of the drone itself, it looks like a toy. People consider it to be a toy, and they don't really pay too much attention. I guess if it was bigger, they'd know it was a more professional bit of kit. But this is for my money, this is a great thing to have because it kind of treads that fine line between toy and pro bit of kit. So I'm not going to get too many problems or too much heat about it. There is the theory, at least. Okay, and then it's got this guard for the gimbal, which is really cool. Camera's here, this protects it. Apparently that's extra. I don't know if that's true. And then these kind of elasticy things here, they keep the props still. So again, this is a great packing solution. And these little things are one of the reasons that I chose to just buy it secondhand from Sergey. I also got a lower price, and I trust Sergey, but just it saves me the hassle of accumulating all these accessories. It's the same when you buy a bike. If you buy a new bike, then you have to start putting pumps and bells and lights on it. If you buy a second-hand one, normally it has all that crap already. So it's a convenience thing. Yeah, so I'm super excited to fly this little baby today. Does anyone think the weather's a bit rubbish? Actually, I'm hoping it won't rain. If it rains, then it'll be rained off, I guess. Bugger, didn't even think about that. Wow, fingers crossed. It's actually pretty cool up here. Nice view. All these places in China are just kind of sealed in. Hey.
Hi.
How you doing? You think it's okay?
Yeah, I think it's okay.
You sure? Okay.
They'll be very curious about
I just want to see like where they're knocking things down and stuff, you know?
I think this place is going to have new buildings.
Yeah.
So the real
Yeah.
the projector have bought this land and this all will be removed.
Wow, look.
Look, like this kind of.
It's crazy. It's all being destroyed here.
Because the land here is bought by some rich guys and they want to make new building to make the money.
Wow. Yeah, it's all being ripped out.
That crazy a lot that wood.
Then it will be slow because it's set to go slow. It makes it kind of interesting because there's a reason to film, you know?
So you mean I'll be the model?
Yeah, you're the subject.
Thank you.
I thought I could feel some rain then.
It's reported there's rain today, but not coming yet.
Yeah. So you think that there are lots of places like this in Shanghai?
Yes,
Yeah?
and more typical one,
Okay.
like this. I will take you around, show you around.
Cool. It's weird how some places are empty and there are still some people living down here.
Yes, in Hongkou area, there are a lot of people still living there.
So right now we just have a look around for like maybe 10 minutes and then we can use the drone, right?
Yes, fly the drone.
Because it's going to get dark, I think. You've lived in a house like this?
My friends, ex-friends. Oh, this place is flat.
Yeah, this is fine. You okay?
They okay.
Huh? Alright.
What's he saying? 日落.
Erlo is it's not sunfall, it's sunset.
Oh, sunset.
Ah, sunset.
Is most beautiful. We have the back here.
Uh-huh. Oh shit.
It should be flat.
Yeah. Maybe here. Okay. So okay.
So cool.
So it's gone.
That's so nice.
Yeah.
coming back here, just exercise.
How to say this in English?
这里现在为什么没有人？
出去了，
只有一些家人，对不对？
这个现在全部出去，这个
全部吃掉了。
这个现在有的人住就是人家外地打工到这地方
啊，
租房的，
哎，这个是被谁买下了？是政府吗？还是哪个开发商？
那不知道，这个
不知道
那不知道。
我们也不知道。
你们哪个国家的？
我是英国的，
英国的啊？
他是中国的。
这是广告。
哦，你也会说我们这边话
啊？
你会说中国话？
一点点，对。
说得很好，说得很好。
你不是中国人呐？你不是中国人。
英国的。
英国的，对
看我。像哪里的？我绝对不是英国的。
你肯定是中国人。
你老家哪里？
嗯？
你老家哪里？
吉林。
吉林啊，然后黑龙江吉林啊，成都，懂没得吗？
你们都是上海人吗？
东北上海，我们也不是上海，我们是江苏。
江苏啊，我知道，我没有去过，但是我知道在哪里。啊。
他也知道我们中国话了。
你
讲得蛮好的。
你是跟他发一点。
只是朋友，只是朋友，
对，
谢谢。
再见，再见。Yeah. This is like a seasonal bamboo. Oh, really good. Klar吗？好，哎，好了。